In today's video, I'll guide you on how you could stream your OBS to Discord. So let's get started. So here we are in OBS. And if you'd want to stream this on Discord on what you are recording here on OBS or what you're showing, then what you'd need to do is to start the virtual camera right here just below the recording button. So once you click on that, you'll now be able to see that you have it enabled. And now you can go into Discord. So in here, you just simply need to go into a voice channel wherein you'd want to stream. So for example, here in my general voice channel, now I'd want to stream. So click here on share your screen. And from here, you just need to go here into devices and just simply click on that. And now from here, just choose the OBS virtual camera. Click on share screen. And now in here, you should now be able to see that you have now shared right here, which is the OBS virtual camera that you have just shared. This one right here. So what you're seeing here in OBS is being reflected here in your Discord. Like for example, I'd want to go for this one right here where it's just dark. And as you can see here on your stream here in Discord is also very dark. And when you change it up here into this one on your OBS, it will also be updated here into your Discord. So yeah, just make sure that you have your virtual camera always turned on OBS, because if you turn it off, just like this one, you'll not be able to see here on your Discord that it's not showing anymore. It's just showing the OBS badge. So yeah, this is basically it on how you could do it. And now when I turn it on again, you can see that it's now back into streaming your OBS screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.